Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create a modern communication site and when we are going to use communication site and what are the different type of web parts available once we created a communication site. So please watch this video till end and let's start our video. To create a modern communication site, open office.com in the browser. So in the left hand side app launcher we can able to see SharePoint. So once we click on the SharePoint, there we can able to see create a site. So once we click on the create a site, there we can able to see communication site. So mainly when we will choose communication site, if you want to share any information related to topic or showcasing some product or explaining about any services, in that case we will go for communication site. So now I am choosing communication site and I will enter the site name based on our requirement. So whatever the name we are giving in the site name, the same name will come in the URL. If you want to short the URL, we can click on edit. And once everything is completed, we can click on finish. So here we can able to see our modern communication site is created. Once we create a modern communication site, by default it will show the template as topic template. So here there are multiple web parts are available. So once we click on edit on the first, we can able to see it's a hero web part. And if you scroll down, you can see it's a news web part. And this is events web part. And another is highlighted content web part. And the down we can see it's a quick links web part, and the next it's a people web part which we can showcase the profiles. So once we go to the site contents, there we can able to see the different type of libraries like documents, form templates, style library, events and site pages. So this is the home page which we are able to see communication site. One more thing which we need to remember, the communication site is not connected with Microsoft 365 group. And if you observe, the mainly in the top communication site, the navigation will come in the top navigation. Okay. So these are the important points related to modern communication site. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And I created a last video on modern team site. So watch that video as well. And I created videos on interview series. So before interview, please go through those videos which will be helpful for to get good job opportunity. Thanks for watching video.